How to remove phone number from Facebook. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can remove a phone number from Facebook. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Facebook application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're here, navigate to top right corner and tap on your profile with the 3-line icon. That's gonna take you to your menu piece. Again, from the menu, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner, just in front of the search icon. Once you're under account and privacy, navigate to top section that says Meta Account Center and then tap on it. Once you land on here, scroll down a bit and tap on personal details under account settings. Once you're here, again navigate towards the contact info. So here is your number. Tap on your mobile number. After that, here you will have an option as delete number. So in order to remove the number, tap on delete number. Here it says you will no longer be able to use this number to log in. So simply tap on delete. Now you have to complete this verification where you will receive a code sent to your email address. So check your Gmail and then type in the correct code right there. Once you have your code, type in the code, then tap on continue. And with that, now your number will be deleted from your account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.